Now let's practice adding expressions. Let's start with simple examples and work our way up. Let's begin with simplify x plus x. Now remember, the expression x plus x can be translated to a number added to itself. This means that if x were equal to 7, then we have x plus x to be the same as 7 plus 7. But when we add 7 and 7, that is the same as 2 times 7. But if we go back to our supposition, we supposed x to be equal to 7, then that means that 2 times 7 is 2 times x, or 2x. So, x plus x is equal to 2x. Now, let's try another one. Let's simplify x plus x plus x plus x. Again, this could be translated as a number added to itself 4 times. So if x, once again, were equal to 7, then we say that x plus x plus x plus x is equal to 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7. We have 4 7s here, so this is the same as 4 times 7. But our supposition says that x is equal to 7, so we write it back as 4x. Again, this means that x plus x plus x plus x is equal to 4x. Now, let's try another one. This time, let's simplify y squared plus y squared. Now, y squared, again, is an expression that has a variable. So we can look at and translate y squared plus y squared as the square of a number added to the square of the same number. Now, if we suppose that y squared is equal to 8, then we have y squared plus y squared to be equal to 8 plus 8. 8 plus 8 is 2 eighths, which is the same, if we go back to our supposition, as 2y squared. This means that y squared plus y squared is equal to 2y squared. Now, let's try one. What about 4y squared plus 3y squared? Again, if we suppose that y squared is equal to 8, then we have 4y squared plus 3y squared to be equal to 4 times 8 plus 3 times 8. 4 eighths added to 3 eighths is 7 eighths, or 7 times 8. And since our supposition says that 8 is the value of y squared, then we write it back as 7y squared. Again, this means that 4y squared plus 3y squared is equal to 7y squared. Let's do several more. Let's simplify 4x plus x. This would be x plus x plus x plus x. It's 4 x's plus another x. This would of course be 5x. In the same manner, if we were to simplify the expression 4x plus 3x, this would be the same as x plus x plus x plus x plus the quantity x plus x plus x. Similarly, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 x's there, so we have 7x. Another one, if we had to simplify 2y squared plus 3y squared, again this would be the same as y squared plus y squared plus the quantity y squared plus y squared plus y squared. We have 5 of those, so we have 5y squared. Now this time, let's look at a different example. What if we were to add 4x and 5y? Now note how 4x plus 5y is simply 4x plus 5y and not, I repeat, not 9xy. Now let's see why that is so. Again, if we use suppositions, if for example we let x be equal to 7 and say we let y be equal to 8. Now the answer, as I've said a while ago, is simply 4x plus 5y. Now let's show why that is so. So 4x plus 5y. Note how if we use the values 7 and 8 for x and y respectively, this expression would be 4 times 7 plus 5 times 8. 4 times 7, of course, is 28. 5 times 8 is 40, giving us 68. Now, we said that this expression 4x plus 5y is not the same as 9xy because 9xy, given our supposition where x is supposed to be 7 and y is supposed to be 8, would look like 9 times, instead of x we have 7, times, instead of y we have 8. So here we have 9 times 7, that's 63, times 8, that would give us 504. Note how these two numbers are not the same. Therefore, we say in general that any expression such as 2x plus 6x is equal to 8x. And take note that this does not mean 2 dogs, for example, plus 6 dogs is equal to 8 dogs. Now remember that x as a variable is a number and not an object. That's a very important concept. This expression can also be explained, therefore, using this illustration. 2x plus 6x is the same as x multiplied by 2 plus 6. x therefore is multiplied after this line by 8. That's why we have 8x. And we can do this illustration right here, just like how we did multiplication several lessons back. Recall how something like 24 times 8 can be seen as 20 plus 4 times 8, where we multiply both 20 and 4 by 8. We had 20 times 8 plus 4 times 8. That is exactly the same principle.